Hey everyone, it's Omashola Dev here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do a chat bubble like WhatsApp or Messenger chat bubble in your React Native and Expo app. Now it's going to be complete with a little tail at the bottom, and this is great for building messaging apps, chat apps. Now this feature is really difficult as I've not seen any video on YouTube showing how to do this in either for either the web or mobile platforms. So we're going to be doing this, we're going to be making it simple in just 5 steps. So stick around, leave a like on this video and share this video to your developer friends who are ready to build their mobile apps. So let's get right into it.
This is so easy.
So I have a basic React Native Expo project here with just my app.txt file, and welcome Omashola Dev. So this is a TypeScript project, React and Expo. So now we will be starting by creating a component that we'll call chat bubble. And then we'll create a basic function. I think I should increase this so you can see better. Export default function chat bubble here. And we'll just return basic view here. And we'll have to import that from React Native. And just one text that says chat bubble. We'll have to import this from React Native also. And we'll add the style sheet. And we'll import it from React Native. Now for step 2, we are going to be creating the basic structure for the chat bubble. So we already have our container or wrapper, anyone you want. Now we'll have, okay, let's have a wrapper. Let's call this wrapper. We'll create that shortly. Then we'll have a container. And inside our container, we are going to have our text. Now our text, will give it a class, a style. Why did I make this like this? Can it just be styles? So autocomplete really wants to help me. I will call this text. It's showing an error because we've not created it yet. And this is like the basic structure. So we're going to create those styles now. It would be wrapper and then text. Okay, and we'll save that. Now for step 2, we're going to be creating or adding style. We are going to be adding our style to make it look like a real bubble. So let's go ahead and do that for the wrapper. And we'll just use this kind of messenger blue, this Facebook Messenger's blue for this. And for the container, we'll use the same blue. You know, you can make your own colors here. You don't have to add mine. You can use your own colors. You can use your own colors. margin top of 5, max width of, that means the highest width you can ever get to should be just 50%, which is half of the screen, and align self to flex end, so you can stay on the right end, because we'll be leaving this one now on the right end of our screen. Now we'll add the styling for the text. That should be simple, just the font size. Let's use 16, and color should be white. Okay, we'll save that now, but let's add our chat bubble component to our home, or to our home screen. Let's do that. And let's see what it looks like. Okay, so let's remove this first. Let's see. Okay, let's leave this and let us remove this color. But let's remove the color from this background color, so you can take up the white background color. So yeah, so we have our bubble now, and we can proceed from there. So we have our bubble now with just little text, and it's blue like Messenger's bubble. So let's just make the text longer. Hello Shady. So we can save that, and now that's step 3. So now for step 4, we'll be adding the right arrow tail, so it can look like the proper chat bubble. So let's do that. For us to do that, we're going to be adding 2 views inside our container. So the first view is going to be called the right arrow, and then the next view is going to be the right arrow overlap. So my autocomplete just happens to know how to do it for me. So now we're going to create the styles for those views, and we are going to see how to make them work. So let's create right arrow, and right arrow overlap. So how do we get the tail to be on the right side of the bubble? So let's do that. Now let's add the right arrow, and then we'll shape it to look like a tail. Now I'm going to add the styling for the right arrow here. It's going to be position absolute. I wish I could disable this autocomplete so it won't mislead me, but let's go ahead with it. So my background color is going to be, let me make it red for now, and then my width will be 20, and my height will be 25. Please follow along, don't skip this part. And bottom would be 0, and border bottom left radius would be 25. Let's use 25, and then our right would be -10. So now if I save this, you're going to see the shape which I'm using for my tail, and you see it already almost look like a tail. But let's say I make it the blue color. Let me make it the blue color. Now you can see it's the same color, and it's going to look like a tail. So we just have to cut this part of it that will make it to be like a tail. So let's do that. And now that's why we have the right arrow overlap there. So let's add it, position over absolute. Background color. Now the background color will be the color of the screen, of the background on the screen. So the background here is white, so we're going to use white. Our width is going to be 20. Our height is going to be 35. Bottom is going to be -6. This will be 18. And this will be -20. All right, will be -20. So let's save that and see what it looks like. So as you can see here, we had to use a trick to achieve this. And if we keep adding more text, like, hey Shady, how are you doing today? What is the update from the previous meeting? You will see that the tail keeps being at the end of the screen. Sorry, at the end of the bubble. So that's how to do this chat bubble like WhatsApp and Messenger. So you can see that we had to cut out part of the right arrow using the right arrow overlap. So if I remove the right arrow overlap, you'll see that it was just a cutout we did using position absolute, right, left, and bottom. So yeah, it's that simple. So using this now, you can also make it like customize it to be like WhatsApp, or you can customize it to look like any way you want. You just have to manipulate the shape of this right arrow and the right arrow overlap. So that's it from this video. It's this simple to do this particular feature, even though there are not much resources online, and even if you browse ChatGPT can't do this for you. But yeah, we got you. We are always ready to help React Native and Expo mobile developers build their app with ease and very fast to become pro developers. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Stay blessed.